Have you ever wondered how adopting a philosophical mindset can improve our lives? We're delving into the concept of intentional living today, a philosophy that places immense importance on the choices we make. It's about being aware, being in control, and most importantly, being in alignment with our deepest values. Philosophy plays a crucial role in shaping these decisions, steering us towards a life of purpose and meaning. Intentional living is a conscious and purposeful approach to life, where every action, big or small, aligns with one's values and long-term goals. Central to intentional living is the identification and understanding of one's core values. These are the fundamental beliefs that guide our decisions and actions. They're like a compass, pointing us in the direction we want to go. To identify your core values, take a moment to consider what matters most to you. What principles do you hold dear? What drives your decisions and actions? Once you have a clear understanding of your values, you can start to align your everyday actions with these guiding principles. This alignment is the essence of intentional living, whether it's choosing a career, building relationships, or deciding how to spend your free time. Each decision should reflect your core values. But why is this important? Well, when your actions align with your values, you're living authentically. You're being true to yourself. And this authenticity breeds fulfillment. It gives your life a sense of purpose and meaning. When our actions align with our core values, our lives become more meaningful and fulfilling. Philosophy plays a significant role in setting our life goals. It's like a compass, guiding us toward the true north of our aspirations. Now let's talk about setting purposeful goals, the ones that resonate with our core values and bring meaning to our lives. Imagine goals as the stepping stones that pave the path to your desired future. Short-term goals act as immediate milestones, keeping us engaged and motivated. They're like chapters in a book, each contributing to the overarching narrative. On the other hand, long-term goals are the grand vision, the end of the story, if you will. These are the dreams that take time, patience, and persistence to achieve. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each small goal achieved is a step closer to your larger aspirations, and every step, every achievement, adds up to a life lived with intention and purpose. Setting purposeful goals based on our core values can lead to a more satisfying life. Challenges and obstacles are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth. This perspective, deeply rooted in philosophy, encourages us to see our struggles not as inconveniences, but as chances to grow and evolve. It's in these moments of adversity that we can truly test our resilience and our will to push forward. Consider the concept of a growth mindset, an idea that suggests our abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, perseverance, and resilience. A growth mindset encourages us to embrace challenges, to persist in the face of setbacks, and to see effort as a path to mastery. Think of great philosophical figures who've walked this earth, individuals who've faced immense difficulties yet used these as catalysts for self-improvement. They've shown us that it's not about avoiding challenges, but about confronting them, learning from them, and emerging stronger. So remember, embrace challenges and obstacles as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. Living intentionally means making conscious choices that align with our values and goals. Identifying our core values is a crucial step, helping us set meaningful, purpose-driven goals. Embracing challenges, seeing them as opportunities for growth, is a part of this philosophy. It's about cultivating resilience and a growth mindset. So, what's stopping you? Take a small step today to align your actions with your values and start living a more purposeful life.